Here I am today with another video. Welcome. This is Albert Pinto with you once again with another video. Yeah, it's on Arossim beach located in Cansaulim, Goa. Friends, if you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel as I keep you updated by posting regular variety of videos. Arossim Beach, Cansaulim, Goa is close to the Heritage Village Club, which is connected by a nice tar road. Arossim Beach, a less crowded, unpolluted beach which is nice, clean with white sand. If you are coming from Margao, it's about 17 kilometers, about 25 minutes distance from National Highway 66. Water is blue and color changes as with the sun and cloud shadows. Hey friend, thank you for watching my video and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again and see you next time with another video. Bye bye.